Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and clicking the bell icon. You will get notified whenever we publish a new video. Natural allergy remedies. Are you an individual who is suffering from allergies? If so, you may be looking for ways to seek relief. Most individuals turn to over the counter medication. While these medications do work, in most cases there are many individuals who are concerned with exactly what it is they are putting into their bodies. If you are one of those individuals, you will want to continue reading on. Below, a number of natural allergies remedies are highlighted below. In addition to being considered natural allergies remedies, they are also known as home remedies for allergies. One natural allergy remedy that comes highly rated and recommended is that of apple cider vinegar. Oftentimes, the only complaint that most have with apple cider vinegar is the taste. However, it is not only known as a natural remedy to treat allergies. Many also used it to assist with weight loss, high blood pressure and high cholesterol. Most individuals using apple cider vinegar to treat allergies recommended taking 2 tablespoons a day. Mixing it with juice or water is also advised, which can assist with taste issues. Red clover is another natural allergy remedy. What is nice about using red clover to treat your allergy symptoms is all of the options that you have, as red clover is available in a wide range of formats. With that being said, most allergy sufferers recommend red clove tea, red clover wine and red clover herbal supplements, which come in the format of pills, are also available for sale both on and offline. Carefully choosing the foods in which you consumed is another natural way to reduce or treat the symptom of allergies. Lime squeezed into water has been known to assist those with allergies. Vegetable juice and bananas also come highly rated and recommended. Acupressure is also an ideal way to treat and relieve the symptom of allergies. Acupressure helped to reduce all allergy symptoms in a study performed on 26 patients. If you are interested in giving acupressure a try, consider contacting your local health spas, as many offer alternative healing approaches. If acupressure is not a service offered, you should be providing with contact information for another local practitioner. In addition to the above mentioned natural allergy remedies, there are also steps that you can take to prevent the onset of allergy or steps that you can take to reduce these symptoms. Most of these helpful tips can still be considered natural allergy remedies, but in a different sense. Also, these additional tips, a few of which are outlined below, are for just about anyone suffering from allergies, as they are affordable and easy to implement. For pet allergy, stay a safe distance away from pets. With that said, if you are a pet owner who cannot bear to part with your beloved pets, be sure to keep them out of your bedroom, as this is where you spend most of your time. Since mold is a common trigger factor for allergies, it is important to take steps to remove mold from your home or prevent it from growing. Limiting the humidity in your home is a great way to reduce or completely prevent mold growth. Use a bathroom fan or open a bathroom window when taking a shower to reduce mold growth in the bathroom. If you already have mold in your home, contact a professional to inquire about a mold removal. Until that time comes, be sure to avoid area in your home where mold is present. The above mentioned natural allergy remedies are just a few of the many that allergy suffered recommend, but they are a few of the most popular approaches taken. As a reminder, it is important to remember that natural remedies and home remedies work differently on different individuals. If you like the video, give it thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more tips.